I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caesar salad dressing Pinoy style. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need fresh calamansi for that distinct citrusy tang, a good quality fish sauce, and local garlic. Don't forget a creamy mayonnaise base and some anchovy paste to build that savory depth. These components are key to our unique Filipino twist. Now let's combine these wonderful flavors. Start by whisking together your mayonnaise, calamansi juice, and fish sauce in a bowl. Then, slowly incorporate the minced garlic, anchovy paste, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Continue whisking vigorously until the dressing is beautifully emulsified, achieving a smooth and consistent texture. To truly embrace the Pinoy style, consider adding a touch of sugar or a hint of sweet chili sauce to balance the savory and tangy notes. This subtle sweetness is a hallmark of Filipino cuisine. You can also add a dash of vinegar for extra brightness. Once perfected, drizzle this vibrant dressing generously over fresh romaine lettuce and your favorite croutons. For best results, store any leftover Pinoy Caesar dressing in an airtight container in your refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days. Remember to give it a good stir and taste it again before serving, adjusting any seasonings as needed. Also, for more great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.